Yes, let's start. So our food should what our food should be include. See, we should take fresh vegetables, green vegetables. What is this? Can you tell me? Bendakai, bindi, lady's finger. It's a dondakai, right? I prepared for you people. I went to the market early in the morning and I bought all these things from the vegetable vendors. And this carrots, ginger is immunity booster, curry leaves. पता है आपको curry leaves हमारी blood को पतला करती है. Curry leaves are rich in iron and so many things. And lemons. Nowadays doctors are advised us to take lemon juice. So we should take all these things. And this is birakai. बताओ क्या है ये? तोरई, birakai. It's a raw mango and potato. Tubers are there. Potatoes and this chamagadda. I think in Telugu it's a chamagadda, Arabi or colocasia. So my dear kids, we should eat every time. We should eat fresh foods and proper food. So let's enter in the kitchen. It's my favorite place and it's a laboratory for me also. I spend my time either in the kitchen or I used to spend my time teaching you people. So my two hobbies, cooking and teaching both. See beta, what I prepared. Palak, है ना, Spanish palak kura for lunch. Why I am showing you all this, you will get to know. Then I prepared rasam for food for lunch. Then it's dal, tur dal I made. It's a dal. So it's a live class. Fine, dal I made and I use this mud pot. आपको पता है जो मिट्टी के बर्तन होते हैं पुराने ज़माने में हमारे पूर्वज यूज़ करते थे. हमारे ancestors, they are used to cook food in the this kind of clay pots. It's very healthy and we should not cook food in the aluminum pots or other things. And this is rice I prepared for lunch, hot rice. I wish you should be there. So in classroom some students are used to enjoy my things, my food. And it's a salad, freshly prepared salad, raw mango, carrots and cucumber. It's a really nice, crispy and nice. See, so it's a salad and it's a kakarkai, karela for me. And karela is really very good. My son, I taught my son to have karelas. And for this is a lemon juice with tulsi and ginger. It's a immunity booster. And as a drink, we can have it. We should not have cool drinks or this type of soft drinks and all. We can have this kind of drinks homely prepared. And after food, and this is pachadi, pudina pachadi for lunch. So many things. And it's a curd. And these are the fruits. So it's a virtual tour of food. So it's a complete food. Now it's a complete food. What I just want to tell you, it's a complete food. It's a rice gives us energy. Fruits and this vegetables and salads, they gives us strength and they keep us fit. And dal is having proteins. And rasam, it's an immune booster. I use ginger, black pepper and so many things. So for COVID-19 and for corona, it's an immunity booster. And the good bacteria in curd help us to keep us fit. हमारी जो पुराने ज़माने के साउथ इंडियन कल्चर है, नॉर्थ इंडियन, उसमें सारी चीज़ों में बेटा यूज़ किया जाता था कर्ड को. सारी चीज़ों में कर्ड को यूज़ किया जाता था. एंड now we will go to the grains and all the things. What things we are taking as a food. So can you see here? Kabuli chana dal, urad dal, right? Moong dal, and this is a whole urad dal, and this is spices, and this also contains some dals and poha or different kinds of flour. I am using gram flour and multigrain flour, something, so many things. These are here, brown rice and rajma for sprouts, mix grains, and these are the millet section. So many millets are here, methi. So many things are there in the food. We should not eat a one kind of food daily कि नहीं मम्मी मैं तो सिर्फ राजमा राइस खाऊंगा, या मम्मा प्लीज मुझे केवल यही खाना है. No, we should have all the things. See here. So these things are all homemade pickles and wooden apple murabba. All the things homemade. My mother, my grandmothers, my father, they taught me that we should not eat the food from outside. We should have the food which is very useful. So these are all homely prepared. Sambar masala, garam masala. These spices are good. You know, these spices are good. Why we Indians are so strong? Because we are taking these all things are included in our food. So many the kind of oils we are taking as our food. It's a pure coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, canola oil, it's a mustard oil, and it's a honey, fresh honey from the tree of my friend's garden. So many things, good things we are taking as a food. So now you get to know ki what kinds of food we are taking. So I showed you everything there, and you just watch the things there also. So my dear kids, when your mama is preparing something for you, please listen to her. Please listen to her and have it everything nicely. So again, it was a virtual tour to my kitchen. Now let's come to the point. For what you are taking? You tell me what you are taking in your breakfast. What you are taking? Are you taking milk daily? No? You should take milk daily. Every day we should have milk, because milk is a complete food for us. Milk is a complete food. Milk has, do you know milk has natural sugar, protein, carbohydrate, and so many things in it. So we should take milk. You have to drink milk every day before coming to the school. Fine. And again, one thing more thing, with milk you please take breakfast, freshly prepared breakfast. So many things are there: roti, jam roti, chapati, idli sambar, dosa, vada, and many things mama prepare. Poha, atkulu upma, seviyan upma, all things are very good. Don't tell her ki mama I will not take this, I will not take that. Okay, don't talk like that. Whatever she is preparing for you, it's very good. So you have it, beta. Okay, fine, you got me, no? One more thing. Before eating breakfast, you wash your hand properly. Sit on a proper place like this. Where you want to sit, you sit and have a glass of water. Early in the morning, have a glass of water. Then you do one thing, you have your food, your breakfast, chew it properly. Chew it many times, chew it very properly, nicely, and then again wash your hand, rinse your mouth, then come to school. In lunch break also, what your mama is giving you, I saw your tiffins, they are nice. Some I hope I made you to eat outside the school, outside the classroom, and I pressurize sometimes. I'm really sorry for that, but I have to pressurize you for some time. Can you please beta have it, and you finished your lunch, because for strength, for our body, for our immunity, and for our good life, we need food on proper time. Fine. So you got to know first thing, which kind of food we have to take, how we should eat food, we should eat its chewing properly, and before eating, after finishing our meal, upper supper, we should clean our face and hands properly. Fine. Milk and fruits and vegetables are an integral part of, it's a main part, it should be main part of our food. Okay, fine. Though I am a vegetarian, but I tell you कि please, if you are non-vegetarian, you eat eggs, fish, meat, whatever your mama is giving you, because they are highly protein, they are highly rich in protein food, so you have it. Don't eat the fridge फूड, बासी फूड जिसे हम बोलते हैं, पुराना खाना, मार्केट का खाना, स्कूल के आउटसाइड में मिलने वाली पानी पूरी. डोंट ईट ऑल दिस रबिश थिंग्स. ओके, आवर इंडियन फूड कल्चर इज़ वेरी रिच. हमारी मम्मा, हमारी ग्रैंड मदर, वॉट एवर दे आर कुकिंग नाइसली, एंड रियली if you follow these kind of food, you will eat this kind of food, good food, healthy food rich with the spices, with the fruits, vegetable, resins, everything, you will be always healthy. You don't have any problem in the future if you eat this kind of food. I hope this class, you enjoyed this class, virtual class of mine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Some questions I will give you. You listen this video 2 or 3 times, and yesterday I posted some points. You read them with your mama and learn them, beta. Fine. If you have any problem, you can tell me in the comments ki teacher, please explain. Your mama can type, please explain it again, or as usual you can send audios in the WhatsApp group. I don't have any problem there, so you can send your audios about the class and all. Okay, I hope you like this class. Thank you. Bye bye.